Friends, this is the third session from the subject of managerial economics, and the session will be dealing with distinction between economics and managerial economics. Let me explain the topic as following ways. First, introduction, concept, distinction between economics and managerial economics, finally conclusions. First, introduction. Managerial economics is an important for decision making in business. It is intended that student will receive a complete information or a complete knowledge about the business through the managerial economics. And managerial economics is to demonstrate how applications of economic theory can improve decision making process in the business. Coming to concepts of managerial economics. Managerial economics is a science which deals with the uses of basic economic concepts, theories and analytical tools suitable in the decision making process of a business firm. And distinction between economics and managerial economics. First, economics. Economics is a science which studied human behavior. The nature of economics is concerned with economics as a science and whether it is a positive or a normative science. Whereas managerial economics studied the aspects of only managerial behaviors. And point 2 says it is a old and very established subject. Economics is a very old subject and it very well established subject. But managerial economics is not like that, it is a new and developing subject. Point number 3, it is a highly theoretical in nature. Economics is highly theoretical in nature, whereas managerial economics is highly practical in nature. Point number 4, it is a positive and normative science. We already discussed, but now we are going to discuss the clear cut information about the positive and normative science. But generally, economics is a positive and normative science, whereas managerial economics is only a normative science, because the managerial economics is a normative rather than positive. Here, what is positive economics and normative economics? Let us understand the meaning which are described by J. N. Keynes. J. N. Keynes is the father of John Maynard Keynes. A positive science may be defined as a body of systemized knowledge concerned with what is. A normative science may be defined as a body of systemized knowledge relating to what, how to be. What is the result. Hence, positive economics is concerned with what is, but normative economics is concerned with what, how to be. It is concluded that managerial economics is normative because it is the perspective rather than descriptive in nature. And point number 5, economics deals with the problems of both individual as well as firm, whereas managerial economics deals with only the problems of firm but not with individual. Managerial economics never concentrate on individual problems. They are concentrating only managerial problem, the firm. Economics is a both micro and macroeconomics in character. Generally economics has classified in a two subject, micro and macro, whereas managerial economics is only microeconomic character, because this is concentrate only the industries. They never concentrate with any other individual perspectives. And point number 7, economics deals with the principles, whereas managerial economics involve the applications of economic principles to the problem of the firm. They are concentrating on problem of the firm. And point number 8, economic consider only economic factors, whereas managerial economics consider both economic and non-economic factors. Point number 9, economics deals with distribution theory, theory of distributions, rent, interest, wage and profit theory. To say the land, labor, capital and organization, which are all called as the production function. That production function has to be paid by the, for a rent will be paid to the land, for our interest will pay to the capital, for a wage will pay to the labor, for a profit will pay to the organization. But the managerial economics deals with only the profit theories. They are concentrating on only profits. And finally, scope of economics is very wider, whereas the scope of managerial economics is not so wide because it is only a separate branches of economics, or it's a new originated theories. Finally, conclusions. It concludes the managerial economics is closely related to microeconomic theory, or microeconomic deals with the study of individuals, firms and industries. The main sources of concept and analytical tool for managerial economic is microeconomic theory, or simply it called as price theory. Managerial economics make uses of microeconomic concepts such as elasticity of demand, managerial cost, I mean marginal cost, marginal revenue, short run and long run cost, market structure, I mean the entire market structure has to be classified by the microeconomics. I mean to say perfect competition and imperfect competitions, and managerial decision making in the business of the firm. Managerial economics also make uses of models, price theory such as King de demand model, Cournot duopoly model, price discriminations model, and limit pricing theory and so on. Generally, managerial economics makes little uses of indifference curve analysis also. So, indifference curve analysis has played a role in managerial decision making process of the business firm. Thank you very much.